Super Easy Drawings.
Hello everyone and welcome to the Super Easy Drawings channel. Today we are going to draw and color the numbers from 1 to 20. Let's start drawing. I'm going to draw the numbers one by one and color them with the colors of the rainbow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job! Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. I colored the number 1 with red. I use orange for the number 2. I paint the number 3 with yellow. I use light green for the number 4. I use dark green for the number 5. I paint the number 6 with blue. Dark blue for the number 7. I paint the number 8 with purple. Pink for the number 9. Fuchsia for number 10. Very good! $11. 12. 13. 14. 15. 16. Good job! Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. 11 is going to be red again. For 12, I use orange. I paint 13 with yellow. I use light green for 14. 15 is going to be dark green. I use blue for 16. Very good! $17, $18, $19, $20. Good job!
Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring.
Dark blue for 17. Purple for 18. Pink for 19. Fuchsia for 20. Brilliant!
If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.